Wow, look at that.
Hi guys, Rich from Out of Smart. I'm just down at Oval.
Whoa, this is my unit, I'll tell them what we've done. So I phoned Rich up about 2 weeks ago, maybe a week ago, and said, Rich, I need your help. We have got this new unit and we're very excited, but up until now it's been unprotected. So Rich came, did a quick survey, and said, I've got you, I can sort you out. He set us up a full alarm system, fully monitored 24/7 with a fully monitored CCTV system by Aspire as well. So they will know before we know that someone is robbing this, and then let us know if there's any problems, which is awesome because we've got a lot of stock in here and we want it to be protected. We couldn't even get insured because we didn't have it either. So yeah, let's have a little look inside and I'll show you what these boys have done.
Sam actually wanted a video intercom system installing on here because there's two doors. We've got the goods in / main door here, and we've got the visitor door up the way there. So we've installed a 2-button intercom system on here. So if somebody comes to the wrong door, they can ring up to the other intercom, and that goes to a screen up in your office, and also through to the mobile phone. And then if we add maglocks later, we've got card access on here for the staff to get in.
Cool.
Go through the door.
Have a look.
So, check out Oval Renewables. Look at this HQ. Sam, what we say?
It's mental, innit? It's forget about all the allowed stuff. Just for us to be in here is mental and a massive journey. But yeah, it's
for sure.
It's cool.
So, for those who don't know backstory, me and Sam actually used to work together. Well, a few years ago, 10 years ago.
Yeah.
But Sam always had a huge passion for solar renewables, which is how he started your apprenticeships with a company, and then work dried up in the solar crash. Well, 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Worked with this company for a short period of time, and then you went back into the solar and then set up on your own. And I think I'll always remember the conversation one night when we sat at the shipping strength, Sam go, I'm doing it. But, so for me, more as a contractor than a friend, coming in and seeing what Sam's got here, bigger unit than mine as well, actually. Not that size matters. Can you imagine the day when we were sat in that pub where you thought, I'm literally gonna have solar panels and batteries stored up everywhere?
Yeah. The good thing is as well, we've kept this really slimmed down so that we didn't have loads on the loads to move over here and before we were insured and everything. So yeah, it's going to grow from this as well, which is really exciting.
But Sam's got a couple of really good videos on this channel about this unit. I'm not trying to steal this thunder. I'm sure boys will put them down somewhere down below and have a look at that. But anyway, have a little look at that, because you boys are actually already on the CCTV. We've already caught you, so we've got security throughout. Now, I'm not obviously going to show you all the camera positions within the building, because, well, that'd defeat the point. So we've got an alarm system installed in here, as well as a CCTV system. And again, like Sam said on the intro, all monitored by our friends over at Aspire. Now, the beautiful thing about using monitoring on CCTV and the alarm system, we've just set up a few alerts. Now, can you imagine people walking in and out all day long, how annoying those alerts could be?
Yeah.
Switch them off. I don't, and this isn't a thing to try and burgle me, I don't actually have the alerts on Out of Smart because I trust Aspire so much. And that's that. Anyway, if we're on cribs, let's show where the magic is, Sam. Let's show where the magic is. So there was a little rack that was already in here before, but I said, Sam, we need to put in a little bit of a bigger rack because we've got the CCTV, got them in a managed network, all the cameras, video intercom system, Wi-Fi throughout as well, and we've got the CCTV monitor in there as well.
Yeah, perfect. It's awesome, isn't it?
Top man.
Nice one. Thank you very much. Awesome.
I don't know.
Police are here.
They're coming.
Police are here.